Hey guys, EG Scary here, unboxing masks from Amazon. Or I guess now it's unbagging, right? So, this one here is FortParty Walker of Night Cosplay Game Party Festival New. And so this is very similar to another one I've reviewed. But this one has these kind of cool looking eyes, okay? They're pretty cool. They're glued on here. They're not painted. They're glued eyes. The quality of the mask, it's just a very thin latex. It's a full head, as opposed the last one was half a head with this elastic of the wig holding it on. So let's give this one a test drive. Lots of hair on here. Alright guys, so here it is. Lots and lots of hair on it. Big hair, 80s hair. I can really only see clearly out of the left eye. The right eye is obstructed. So, yeah, so I'm looking through right here. There's no, let's see if I can line it up. Nope, it will not line up. It's just, I can see out of the one left eye. So we'll turn around again. You know, it wasn't very expensive, and like I always say, you get what you pay for. So some people are going to really like this and some people aren't. So like my issue right now is that the sun is in my eyes and I can't tell if you guys can actually see me or not. So subscribe to the channel. When we hit 500, there's going to be a bunch of masks given away, and when we hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be going into cold storage and opening it up, and in there is a mask from the 80s from Distortions, and I'm going to be giving that away when we hit 1,000. So tell your friends to collect Distortions. Thanks for watching. EG Scary out.